Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can earn with the help of influencer marketer. And influencer marketing is extremely big and it's going to be huge billion-dollar industry in few days, most probably by 2023 or maybe 2025 as per the data, as per the research. Anyway, if you are not into influencing marketing, if you don't have any audience, but if you know how you can leverage the power of influencers, if you know how you can build your business with the help of other influencers who has already set up their influencing in their market. Okay, so in this video I'll show you exactly how you can earn with the help of Instagram influencers and the pretty much everything what you need to set up your own business. All right, so those people who are watching me for the very first time, I'm Tapesh from tapeshchaudhary.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and different kind of entrepreneurship which can give you a growth in your finance, in your life, pretty much what you need to sustain in online marketing. All right, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you people subscribe and also press on bell icon so that whenever I release new videos I can send notification to you people. So I'll show you my system, what I use, and how you can use the same thing, how you can grow your business, and how you can make money with the help of Instagram influencers. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. All right. Alright guys, now I'll show you exactly how you can earn $200 minimum every single day with the help of Instagram influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is one of the huge potential marketing strategy what you can earn, and you can, if you learn the strategy and you can really implement pretty much everywhere in every aspect of your business. With the help of Instagram influencer marketing, you can really earn good amount of money. So this is the game plan, and in this video I'll show you exactly how you can set up your money machine, how to find the influencer, how to promote your product, and everything, how to leverage every system, every technology, and everything what you need. Just make sure you watch the complete video, and I'll try my level best to complete whole process as soon as possible. And I don't want to make this video too long, but yeah, if you want I can create a detailed course in this particular topic. Okay, so first things first, you need to find a digital product what you can sell. So here I'm talking about your own product, your own digital product. It can be course, and yes, courses are the very important thing what you can sell, and you can really make good amount of money. And there are a lot of people who are doing the same thing and they are selling courses. But if you don't have your own course, then also nothing to worry. If you have your own course, then this is awesome, because you are going to create a value in some other people's life. But if you don't have any course, nothing to worry, I'll have different of strategy for you people. So if I just tell you one more thing, PLR is the thing what you can sell with your own price. PLR stands for private right level, and you can really make good amount of money. This is one website, and if you simply search for PLR courses or PLR video courses in Google, you will find various of website where you can really get good amount of high quality PLR products, and you can really make money by selling digital products. Okay, so this is the website. I'll give you the link in the description, and here you can really, I personally use this particular platform, and I bought couple of courses and which I'm reselling on my own price. Okay, so simply if I go to different, like this is the course of Instagram, this is the course of blogging, this is the course of affiliate marketing, this is the course of passive income. So if I just show you what is inside this particular courses, and you can really buy particular courses. It can be anything, it's up to you. You can go for different of niche, as I am in the field of money making or affiliate marketing, so I am selecting this kind of courses. It can be easy, it can be really, if you want you can go for health and fitness, relationship, anything, it's up to you. Okay, so this is the course of blogging, and you can really buy this particular course and you can sell at your own price. So now if I ask you how you can go, how you are going to monetize the whole strategy, I'll show you exact thing what I do. And this is a very powerful thing if you just understand the concept, and you can really make good amount of money. So now first thing, you have to find your digital product, and as I said, you can really buy anything in this particular website, and there are a lot of websites in Google. If you simply buy different kind of PLR products, you can make your own digital product, and you can really make you can really sell at your own cost. Next thing is, what you have to do, you have to set up your cash machine. Cash machine in the sense, like, you have to, after buying the courses, you have to upload it somewhere. Okay, so in order to upload, I use a website that is Teachable. Teachable is a very reliable, and it is extremely user friendly, and you can really upload your courses, even if you don't have any idea how to use internet. Then also it's so easy, and user interface is really awesome, and you can really upload these courses and take payment from this particular Teachable system itself. They have the option to integrate PayPal, somewhere like Stripe also, I think so, but yeah, I use PayPal. So they have integration system of PayPal, so if anyone is buying, they can directly pay to Teachable, and it will go to your PayPal account, and after PayPal account, it will go to your bank directly. There is no other way. So simple thing, you can upload your courses in Teachable, and you can download the courses from different of PLR resources, PLR websites like this, and you can really make good amount of money. So you can upload your, as I said, you can upload the whole courses or bunches. You have to make a bunch. For example, if I tell you some rough idea, as I said in the thumbnail, you have seen you can earn $200 every single day. So if you sell single course, then no one will going to buy in $200. So thing is that my plan is, you can bundle 3 or 4 courses, or maybe up to 7 courses, and you can price it as $197, mean around $200. Now you have your own courses. Now you know how to upload the courses and all. Now thing is that how you can get the influencers. And yes, majority of the people will think like, I have to pay the influencers, and I have to get my work done. That's completely okay. If you want to pay, it's up to you. Even if you don't have money to pay for influencers, then also I'll show you one more best personal strategy what I use, and you can really use my strategy. Okay, so now how you will get the influencers? Simple thing, if you go to Instagram and if you search for any hashtags, then you will find lot of Instagram influencers. But even if you don't have any idea to find influencers also, then also you can go to this particular website, that is ifluence.com, and there is one more website, that is Shoutcard. From here you can buy influencers, and if you just go to different influencers, and if you just simply browse the categories, you can see lot of people are doing, and you can really make good amount of money, because they have already set up their brand, they have already set up their audience. You have to just buy some audience from them. Okay, even if you don't have, as I said, even if you don't have, then also nothing to worry. Even for example, if I take any one, these are all influencers. Even if you go to category browse, or maybe here also you will have option of influencers, you will get different of categories according to your niche. Select few categories, few people who are ready to make an agreement with you. Agreement in the sense, what is the agreement, I'll tell you in this next part, like how you can leverage the game. But make sure to have a connectivity with the influencers before doing any business. And one more thing, it's not like every single influencer will have same price of same kind of price, or maybe same kind of results, because audience may demand, so audience may differ, and your demand of audience is always should be high. Why I'm saying high? There are a lot of people who are thinking like, I need to have a lot of influencers, so I need to have a lot of followers in order to get my sale. No, if you have a lot, that is okay. Even if you have small amount of traffic, even if you have targeted traffic, then your courses will sell like crazy. Okay, so don't go for somewhere 1.3 million or maybe somewhere 2.4 million. They will charge extremely high. If you go for simple thing like 753k, that is huge, and the influencer is charging $30. Somewhere you just make sure your budget is 30 to 40 to buy influencers, and just you can try it out, which influencers or which particular which particular people has given you growth, which particular has influencer has given you number of sales. Okay, so now as I said, you have to pay for influencers, but even if you don't want to pay, there is a different strategy. And the strategy is, once you upload the course in Teachable, you will get 30 days of free trial. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go for 30 days, and after that, if you think it's okay for you, then you can continue. Even if you don't think, you are not paying anything. Okay, so but if I just show you the Teachable pricing, their pricing starts with $29, which is pretty awesome, and you can really make this particular amount of whatever you are paying for your softwares, whatever you are paying for system, in just one day if you follow the same strategy. And the best part of Teachable is you can integrate your own affiliate marketing. So once you buy this, the basic plan, you will have one option to integrate your affiliate marketing system. Means it's just a drag and drop. You have to assign a affiliate person, for example anyone who has signed, who is ready with your agreement. Like for example, this person, you can reach out to this person and you can say, hey, I have a course which I'm selling $197. If you put my link in your bio, you will get 50% of commission every single sale whatever I am making. So you are not paying him, you are not giving any money, you are just making a tracking link, you are giving a affiliate link of a Teachable, which you will get inside of your dashboard. And that's why I am asking you people to go log in, to register. This is a free 30 days free trial. You can see what things are working, how things are working, and after that you can create your own Teachable, own affiliate system. And these are all the people who will be your affiliate army. Means these are all people who will, they knows like, if I get a sale, I'll get $100. Why $100? Because the price of the course is $197 and you committed that I'll give you 50% of revenue. So somewhere they are interested, they knows like, if I get only one sale, then I'll get $100, and they will promote like crazy. And you can also ask them to promote in their shout outs, in their swipe ups, or anything, to make the most uses of this particular persons, or maybe any of the accounts followers. Okay, this is how you have to build a connectivity with the influencers, with your marketers, with your affiliate army, so that you can give them a value, so that they also, what you are doing, you are helping them to earn a commission, and that commission is $100, and everyone will accept, pretty much everyone accept this kind of thing because price is high. Second thing, you are also generating money. And if you share your 50% of revenue, then also you are earning $100 every single sale. This is so easy. Apart from that, if I share you my personal strategy, like for example, this is if I take about this course, this is a blogging course. In order to complete the blogging course, everyone will need a hosting or domain. So inside of that course, you can put your affiliate link of Bluehost or SiteGround, whatever hosting provider you can just tie up with different kind of affiliate network, and you can get your affiliate link. As I said, you can go for a Bluehost, and the Bluehost is really awesome. SiteGround is also awesome. So you can add your affiliate link of Bluehost. Same way, if it is 30-minute affiliate marketing, so in that you need a funnel. You can integrate, you can just give affiliate link of ClickFunnels or some other maybe landing page builder, whatever. So somewhere, if you go to different, it depends upon the product, how you can relate your affiliate products inside of the course. And it is a multiple system of revenue generating model, and you can really leverage the whole model. So this is what you have to do. And yes, you don't have to pay any affiliate commission to the influencers. It's completely yours. Okay, so it's completely yours, and you are not paying, you are just paying the revenue, that is $100 to the influencers, because they are promoting for free. Of course, once they make any sale, once they make any revenue from your course, then you are sharing your part. That's it. So in order to earn this amount of money, you will need only two sales. Like if you just think your target is $200, and guys, this is not just $200. You can make your target as 1,000, 2,000 per day, and this is so easy. Okay. And yes, do not limit your mindset that I cannot earn. Everything is dependent on mindset, everything is dependent on your skill set, everything is depend how you are reacting, how you are creating values in other people's life. That's it. You are creating value in influencers life, influencers are creating a value in their audience life, and it is win-win-win situation for everyone, and everyone is getting some benefited. Okay, so I hope I was able to clear the whole concept, the whole game plan. Let me know if you have any concerns in the comment section below, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also press on bell notification, so whenever I release new videos I can send notification to you people. So thank you so much guys for your time. Have a great day.